Hey there, it's Chris with Clean Streak Pressure Washing. We are at our next stop of the day. This, you may recall, is a returning client of ours. It's not the up here with this house wash for a returning customer, like we said earlier. This place is right on Lake Tarpon. Get a lot of bugs from the water. We also get a lot of pollen and all the other stuff. So keeping up on these waterfront homes is a full-time job, but you can't beat the view. There you have it. We are finished. We'll be heading off to the next one.